How to download Valorant on PC and laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through the process of downloading and installing Valorant on your PC or laptop. It's simple, so without further ado, let's get started. So first, head over to the playvalorant.com, and if you use the Epic Game Launcher, you can also find Valorant by searching for it in the store and then clicking Git to add it to your library. And from there you can simply install it just like any other games. But once you are on the website, simply click on Play Free button and you will need to sign in to your Riot account. And if you don't have one yet, simply select Make One to create an account and choose Sign In if you already have one. And after that, simply hit Play Free again and then click Download. And after that, your downloads will start automatically. But if prompted, choose a location to save the file, and once the download is complete, you can simply open the file and click Yes whenever asked for permission to make changes. And then simply hit Install, and this will set up the Riot Game Launcher which is required to play Valorant. And during the installation, you will also need to allow the Riot client to make changes. So simply click Yes to continue, and at this point, Vanguard Riot anti-cheat software will install as well. But keep in mind that Valorant won't run without Vanguard being installed and active. Now log in to your Riot Games account, and you might want to enable Stay Sign In option for convenience. And after that, Valorant should begin installing automatically. But if it's not installing, just click the install or update button, and once the installation is complete, you will need to restart your PC before launching the game. And after that, you are all set. You can simply jump in and start playing. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.